In this video I will show you how you can repair a Neptune battery sprayer your own. Sometime battery sprayer stops working due to stuck-in motor. In that case you just needs to open up your spray machine from the bottom and need to clean up motor. By doing so you can easily repair a minor problem in your battery sprayer. You can see here that the motor got stuck due to some minor error. And after opening it by mechanic within a minute it got started. Generally the battery also get damaged by prolonged uses. In that case you can easily install a new battery in it. If you find this video useful then do subscribe to this channel.